In this video, we will be going through the top 5 ice cream makers of 2024 so that you can make your own ice cream at home. Whether you want to make a healthier version of ice cream or go all out, these ice cream makers can do it all. If at any time you want to purchase one of these ice cream makers, there will be links down in the description for all of these ice cream makers. All the links in the description are affiliate links, and we do receive a small referral fee if you use them. This helps to keep our videos free, so thank you so much in advance. Now let's go ahead and get started. All right, up first we have our top pick, the Ninja Creami Deluxe 11-in-1 ice cream maker. Now, diving into some of the pros and cons. For the pros, it delivers excellent results and is very simple operation. It also has a very versatile functionality. Now, as for the cons, it is a bit pricey. There is a little bit of the limited capacity of ice cream that you can make, and the base needs overnight freezing. Unlike traditional ice cream makers that churn and freeze the mix simultaneously, the Ninja Creami begins with a frozen base that it then transforms using a unique creamerizer paddle that resembles a blender blade. This technique initially raised some eyebrows among professional chefs and avid home cooks. However, the gadget, which gained fame on TikTok, quickly proved itself as the top performing ice cream maker in our evaluations. The machine consistently produces both sorbet and ice cream with a smooth, even texture, free from ice crystals or uneven mixing. Immediately after processing, the desserts are ready to enjoy and maintain their quality well, even after being refrozen for a couple of hours. The sorbet does tend to become slightly denser with some ice formation if left for longer. The whipping process itself is quick, taking just over 5 minutes, but it requires the base to be prepared and frozen the previous night. The machine includes 2 cups, each with a max fill line that yields approximately a quart of ice cream or sorbet, sufficient for small gatherings, but not ideal for larger groups. One of the standout features of the Creami Deluxe is its ability to craft a variety of frozen desserts thanks to its 11 settings, which adjust time and speed for different textures and mix-ins. From ice cream and sorbet to frozen yogurt, milkshakes, and even coffee-flavored treats, the possibilities are just about endless. The mix-in feature in particular lets you add solid ingredients into your ice cream, though some larger pieces like Oreo chunks might get broken up during the process. Despite this, the mixture remains well blended and consistent even after storage. Cleaning the machine is a breeze. Most parts are dishwasher safe, and the blade is easy to detach and rinse. So taking a look at some of the key specifications, it yields about 1 quart. Processing time is about 5 minutes. There are 11 different settings. Its dimensions are 12 by 8.4 by 16.7 inches, and it weighs 14.4 pounds. Moving on to our next ice cream maker, we have the top budget choice, the Cuisinart frozen yogurt ice cream and sorbet maker. Getting into some of the pros and cons of this ice cream maker, the pros are its very user-friendly interface, simple cleanup process, and it comes in at an affordable price. Now, some of the cons are it has a limited capacity, and its bulky bowl requires a full day's freeze ahead of use, which can be tough if you already have limited freezer space. The Cuisinart Ice 21R is a no-fuss, fully automatic ice cream maker that crafts delicious homemade ice cream in just 20 minutes without breaking the bank. This model keeps things straightforward, focusing on functionality over frills. The operation is clean and simple. The double insulated freezer bowl locks into the base, the mixing paddle snaps in, and a plastic cover tops it all off. Just pour your mixture into the bowl, and as it rotates, the paddle scrapes the semi-frozen ice cream from the sides, blending it back into the mix. About 20 minutes later, you're rewarded with creamy ice cream. If you want to add extras like chocolate chips or nuts, just throw them in towards the end of the cycle. Our testing revealed that both ice cream and sorbet came out a bit softer than what some other machines produce, kind of similar to a soft serve. A few hours in the freezer can firm it up nicely though, while still keeping it creamy and easy to scoop. However, the requirement for a pre-frozen bowl means that you need to plan your ice cream making in advance. The bowl is quite large and takes up a significant amount of freezer space, which can be a drawback if you fancy some spontaneous ice cream making. This model also has a smaller capacity than some of the other Cuisinart models, so it's important to adjust your recipes accordingly to prevent overflow. Cleaning is pretty straightforward as the parts generally only need a quick rinse, even though they aren't dishwasher safe. As for some of the key specifications, the maximum yield is 1 1.5 quarts. It takes about 20 minutes to process. There's only one setting option. Its dimensions are 9.5 by 9 by 11.3 inches, and it comes in weighing 10.1 pounds. Next on our list of top ice cream makers in 2024, we have the top choice for vegan ice cream, the Yonanas Classic Soft Serve Dessert Maker. So moving into some of the pros and cons. For the pros, we love how it specializes in vegan sorbet made from frozen fruit. It's easy to clean with dishwasher safe parts, and it's a very affordable option. As for the cons, it does produce a bit of a more chunky texture, and you are limited to using only frozen fruit. The Yonanas Classic is a unique kitchen gadget that transforms frozen fruit into a creamy soft serve like dessert. While it's true that it's somewhat niche, focusing solely on fruit-based treats, the end result is delightfully tasty and healthier than traditional ice cream. Operating much like a food processor, this device requires you to insert frozen fruit into the chute and use a plunger to press it down. What emerges is a smooth and creamy mixture that, while not exactly mimicking dairy ice cream, offers a refreshing and a little bit more guilt-free alternative. Our test with bananas and strawberries yielded a creamy, easy-to-scoop dessert. This machine is perfect for making quick desserts without a fuss. It's designed for simplicity with only one setting, which means less to manage as you prepare your treat. Texture of the dessert is somewhat chunky, which might not appeal to everyone, but it adds a bit of body to the sorbet that many find very enjoyable. It's important to use ripe, sometimes even slightly overripe fruit, like when it comes to bananas as recommended, to ensure that the sweetness and texture are optimal. Since the machine doesn't work in batches and continuously processes the fruit, you can make as much dessert as you want, as long as you give the machine a little break every 2 minutes to prevent it from overheating. As for some of the key specifications, there's only one setting option. Its dimensions are 13.8 by 6.2 by 7.5 inches, and it comes in weighing only 3.1 pounds. Next on our list of top ice cream makers of 2024 is the best mixer add-on, the KitchenAid Ice Cream Maker Attachment. Diving into the pros and cons, some of the pros are it's effortless to operate and it yields very creamy desserts. As for the cons, sometimes we got an inconsistent freezing result and it lacks automatic features. The KitchenAid stand mixer is already a versatile tool in the kitchen, known for its ability to handle tasks from mixing batter to kneading dough. With the addition of the ice cream maker attachment, it turns into an efficient ice cream maker as well, compatible with both tilt head and bowl fit mixer models. This attachment includes a 2-quart bowl that needs to be frozen for 24 hours before use, along with a specialty sized paddle. You simply fill the bowl with your ice cream mixture, set your mixture to the stir setting, and let it churn. While the manufacturer suggests that freezing takes between 20 to 30 minutes, we found that the desserts were still somewhat soft at the end of this time frame. For those who prefer a firmer texture, extending the churning time to 35 or 40 minutes, followed by some time in the freezer, may yield better results. Additionally, the recommended timing for adding mix-ins at 13 minutes might be too soon, as it led to over-processed ingredients and a less appealing color in our tests. A later addition might preserve the mix-in's texture and appearance a little bit better. This attachment is not just a space saver, but also enhances the value of your KitchenAid mixer by adding ice cream making to its skill set. Cleaning is straightforward too, with dishwasher-safe components in a bowl that rinses easily. If you already own a KitchenAid mixer and are looking to experiment with homemade ice cream, then this attachment is a practical and relatively inexpensive way to do so. It doesn't have all the features of a dedicated ice cream machine, but it is a great entry point for occasional use without requiring additional countertop appliances. Some key specifications: its maximum yield comes in at 2 quarts, processing time is about 20 to 30 minutes, dimensions are 9 by 11 by 7 inches, and it weighs about 6 pounds. For our last ice cream maker on the top 5 ice cream makers of 2024 list, we have the best retro style ice cream maker, the Nostalgia Wood Bucket Ice Cream Maker. Diving into some of the pros, an electric cranking mechanism makes for some easy use. It has a large 4-quart capacity, and it's pretty affordably priced. As for the cons, it can be a little bit messy during use. Results are a bit inconsistent, and setup is a little bit challenging. With the Nostalgia Wood Bucket Ice Cream, you're embracing a little touch of the past, which takes you back to the days of old-fashioned ice cream making. This modern take on the classic salt and ice method features an electric motor, eliminating the need for manual cranking without sacrificing the traditional charm. The Nostalgia model not only looks great with its authentic wooden bucket, but also impresses with its capacity to to make up to a gallon of ice cream per batch. During our testing, we noticed that the importance of precise salt and ice layering to achieve the best texture and flavor. Starting with at least 8 pounds of ice and 3 cups of salt is advisable, ensuring the internal container sits perfectly to facilitate even freezing. Though achieving consistency in texture was a bit challenging, the ice cream and sorbet that we produced were flavorful and well received. Adding mix-ins, however, require pausing the process to manually insert ingredients, which some might find a bit annoying. The setup and operation can get messy and the unit is heavy, especially when filled. For these reasons, using it in a sink or outdoors can enhance the experience, making it a fun activity for a summer day. Overall, while the Nostalgia ice cream maker may not create the most perfect ice cream every time, it does offer a large quantity and an enjoyable interactive experience. It's a cost-effective option that adds a playful and nostalgic element to family gatherings or any ice cream making party. As for the key specifications, its max yield comes in at 4 quarts, which is the most on this list. Its processing time is 30 to 45 minutes, which is also the longest on this list. There's only one setting option, and its dimensions are 15 by 17 by 16 inches, and it comes in at 5.2 pounds. So there you have it. We've covered a range of ice cream makers suited for every type of frozen treat enthusiast, from the high-tech to the budget-friendly, and even options perfect for vegan dessert lovers. Whether you're looking to indulge in a luxurious homemade scoop or whip up a quick vegan treat, there's something here for everyone. If any of these ice cream makers caught your eye, you can find links to purchase them down in the description below, and by using these links, you'll be supporting us with a small commission at no extra cost to you. This helps us continue to produce free content just like this, so we truly appreciate your support. Now, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Can't wait to bring you more great content, and thank you again for your time. We will see you in the next video.